Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about need to program your universal remote to Emerson TV. In this video I will show you two easy methods using a remote code and using the auto code search. Let's get started. For the first method is program universal remote to Emerson TV using a TV code. For this first step is turn on your Emerson TV using the power button on the TV itself. Insert the fresh batteries into your universal remote to ensure it is enough power during the setup process. Enter programming mode by pressing and holding the setup or code suggestion button until the remote LED indicator stays on. Select the TV device by pressing the TV button on the remote. The LED should blink once and remain it. Enter an Emerson TV code using the remote number button. If the code is valid, the LED indicator will turn off automatically. Test the remote by pointing if at the TV and pressing the power button. If the TV turns off, the remote has been successfully programmed. Verify all functions by testing the volume menu and input and channel buttons. If some features don't work correctly, replace the program process using another Emerson TV code until you find the best match. Now here I tell you about how to program a universal remote to Emerson TV method 2, that is called auto code search. For this, turn on the Emerson TV. Press and hold the setup button until the LED stays lit. Press the TV button. Press the power button repeatedly or hold it depending on your remote model. Wait for the TV to turn off. As soon as the TV power off, press OK, enter or setup to save the code. Test all major buttons to make sure the remote works properly.